Apricot oil, rich in fatty acids and vitamins, effectively hydrates and moisturizes the skin, promoting a silky, supple, and revitalized appearance when used consistently. Argan oil, rich in oleic and linoleic acids, is crucial for maintaining healthy skin and hair. It's used as a moisturizer in lotions, soaps, and hair conditioners, enhancing skin water retention through antioxidant properties. Active ingredients penetrate deep into skin for proper hydration. Avocado oil contains vitamin E and omega-3s, which help treat skin issues like dry skin, sunburn, eczema, and insect bites. It also reduces wrinkles, signs of aging, and improves skin appearance. Anise oil, due to its antioxidant properties, is a natural skin moisturizer that nourishes, restores youthful skin, removes harmful toxins, and leaves it toned and silky. Celery, rich in water, hydrates skin, promoting a glowing complexion through its juice and skin products, preventing dryness and flakiness. Apricot oil can help combat dry, itchy skin by acting as an occlusive agent, softening skin without greasy texture, and containing vitamin E, which enhances skin hydration by enhancing water absorption and holding. It is easily absorbed into the skin. Apple seed oil's high antioxidant content protects skin from free radical damage, reducing signs of acne marks, wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. Carrot seed oil, rich in vitamins and antioxidants, hydrates and nourishes skin, promoting a healthy complexion by enhancing tone, texture, and reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Chickpea flour, a versatile ingredient, not only helps control oiliness but also addresses dry, scaly skin. When mixed with milk cream, it acts as a moisturizer, and can be enhanced with olive or almond oil for similar results. Argan, a miracle oil, rich in vitamin E and fatty acids, offers deep hydration benefits for extremely dry skin, reducing itchiness and flakiness. To soothe cracked heels, soak feet in water and camphor, scrub gently, and apply moisturizer or petroleum jelly. This prevents skin dryness and cracks, ensuring smoothness and hydration. Barley, when used as a dietary supplement, enhances skin hydration levels, making it softer, enhancing texture, and promoting a youthful appearance. Aloe vera, a natural skincare product, promotes youthful appearance by providing moisture to the skin's layers and preventing wrinkles and fine lines. Cardamom essential oil is a potent moisturizer for dry, cracked skin due to its antioxidant properties that effectively remove dryness and provide hydration, making it an essential addition to any skincare routine. Avocado oil can help heal dry, brittle nails by providing hydration and nourishment by penetrating the nail cuticles inner layers. Almond oil, rich in vitamin A, is a versatile moisturizer, antibacterial, and antifungal, used for various skin conditions, acne treatment, sun damage healing, and aging reduction. Chamomile oil is a natural remedy for crow's feet, dark circles, and skin irritation, repairing, regenerating, and strengthening skin. It's beneficial for those with allergies, sunburn, rashes, and combats hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. Coconut oil is a beneficial ingredient for skin health and appearance, boosting moisture content, preventing water loss, and protecting against external factors. Applying it to hands overnight can prevent dry skin from alcohol-based sanitizers and reduce atopic dermatitis symptoms. Coconut extract also enhances protective barrier functions and has an anti-inflammatory effect. Amla, a natural moisturizer with essential fatty acids, aids in skin rejuvenation and easy moisture retention, preventing dryness and flakiness. Cold-pressed almond oil is a lightweight, non-greasy oil suitable for dry and sensitive skin types, offering moisture, softness, and radiance, and is safe, gentle, and hypoallergenic for children's skin. Argan oil is a lightweight nighttime oil that protects and moisturizes dry, sensitive skin, providing a luminous, even-toned look without leaving an oily coating, preventing irritation during sleep. Citronella essential oil is a potent ingredient for hydrating dry or dehydrated skin, preventing water loss and locking in moisture. It can be mixed into regular moisturizer or facial oil, or applied directly to the skin. Cinnamon is a natural hydrating ingredient that enhances skin texture and hydration by increasing blood flow to the skin. It is particularly beneficial for dry or chapped lips, as it creates a plumper pucker, making it an excellent addition to any skincare routine. Avocado oil, rich in oleic acid and phytosterols, is a moisturizing, collagen-boosting, antioxidant-rich night cream ideal for dry and sensitive skin types, providing UV ray protection and boosting collagen production. Coriander seeds are a natural remedy for dry and rough skin, aiding in hydration and restoring the skin's moisture barrier. Infused products leave skin soft, supple, and free from rough patches, replenishing lost moisture and restoring skin's natural hydration balance. Chamomile extract, rich in natural oils, hydrates and nourishes the skin, resulting in a radiant, soft, and supple appearance. It's particularly beneficial for those with dry or dehydrated skin, as it enhances skin texture, resulting in a more radiant and soft complexion. Coconut oil is an emollient that adds moisture, smooths and softens skin due to myristic and palmitic acids. It is rich in polyphenols, providing protective antioxidant properties. It also reduces skin inflammation and improves skin texture over time. Cinnamon is a valuable skincare product that can improve dry, rough feet and cracked skin by acting as an exfoliant. It removes dead skin cells, restoring softness and preventing infections. Regular use of cinnamon-infused scrubs, particularly for cracked heels, is beneficial for dry, rough patches of skin, preventing infections and maintaining a healthy appearance.